This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by A&A Companies.
Imagine this, you crawl into your cozy bed after a long day of work, but something feels off. It's probably because something isn't right. Your heating system has completely shut down and you realize there's no way you'll get a good night's rest because it's so cold.
It's an unfortunate situation that many Delmarva homeowners face. That is, unless your HVAC system is up to standard. As DelmarvaLife's James McDonald discovered, having your units checked twice a year can save you time and money down the road.
As the seasons change, your home's heating system has to pick up the slack, making many homeowners wonder, will it work when they need it the most? Mindy Allen Townsend, Vice President of A&A Companies, says an October maintenance check can catch problems before they turn into expensive winter emergencies.
The warranty on any system deems that as well. They want you to change your filters, clean the units, clean the coils, check the start components, make sure that everything's operating properly. A unit that, for instance, runs low on refrigerant, it can cause damage to the coils, the compressors. All of those things shrink the longevity of a lifespan of a system.
Mindy says the leading cause of failure in heating and air conditioning systems is dirty filters.
Dirty filters cause the unit to run harder. It causes a fan motor to run harder, which causes premature failure in fan motors, which can cause compressor failures. There's a laundry list of things that are a direct correlation to maintenance that can cause major component issues in a HVAC system, which is why manufacturers state that they require maintenance for the warranty.
Neglecting routine maintenance can even shorten your system's lifespan and void its warranty. And here on the Eastern Shore, the salt air adds another challenge.
Regular maintenance is crucial to the operation and the longevity of heating and air conditioning systems. Especially here at the beach, the salt air is very corrosive. We can catch things rusting and, problems before they arise just by putting our eyes on it twice a year.
That's why A&A's team puts every system through a detailed 17-point inspection.
We're cleaning the drains, we're flushing the drains, we're changing the filters, we're checking the start components, we're making sure that the compressor's operating properly. But we're doing a once-over of the system as a whole, whether it's in the heating mode or the air conditioning mode, to prevent premature failure throughout the year.
A&A takes it a step further, helping customers stay ahead through annual maintenance plans.
Maintenance agreements are great. They're, an insurance policy for heating and air conditioning that says that we're going to come out and provide you with 2 annual maintenances a year. We're going to give you a discount on parts and repair deemed necessary to the system, and you're going to get preferential placement above all the other clients that call in that don't have service memberships.
That priority access matters because when the seasons change, the phones start ringing.
Yes, do we have openings, onesie, twosies here and there? Absolutely, but for the most part, if you need a specific day and time, we're out until October from maintenance contracts. So if you want to make sure you don't have to remember to do this every year, twice a year, that's what a maintenance plan's for. We remind you that it's time and we just need you to schedule it.
With routine care and the right team behind it, your system can last longer, run stronger, and save you money in the long run.
And Mindy tells us that A&A certified technicians attend classes regularly to stay up to date with the changes in the HVAC industry. They're trained on the latest systems so that customers get the best possible service every time. And this is the time of year you got to get it done.
I know, I was about to say, we're talking about it being cold in the air in the mornings, and it's one of those moments where you're like, wait, it's been cold all day. Like, don't let it get to that point, make sure, get it handled, get it figured out now. And making sure you have that warranty, and still have your services to keep into that warranty for the longevity of your unit.
I never thought about that, the salt air.
Me
Sure, it's
neither.
all around, so
Makes sense though,
it certainly does.